Yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. This is a chemical pencil and a blow dart that is made. Yeah, and next Friday we go hunting. And you guys will see my video. Me. I'm doing funny video, but I'm not kind of serious with the funny video. I only like it with the blow dart, like hunting. Especially you guys should watch the twins. The twins that they go hunting every day, every single day. Rabbit, fox, squid, fish, crab, especially mud crab. Go fish hunting. Not fish hunting. More like a bird. Oh my gosh, that's so close. Oh, okay. I almost hit you guys. Not you, but the camera. I mean the phone. So hope you guys watch my challenge. Please subscribe.